Good morning everyone. This is Pavani from Andhra Pradesh, India. I am pursuing fourth year BSc Horns Agriculture at my home university, Acharya Injiranga Agriculture University. First of all, I am so glad to select under undergraduate inbound credit mobility program in Malaysia. Today I am going to give a brief section about my training program. My mentor is Dr. Jul Arif Abdul Latif sir. Our supervisors are Dr. Shafika madam, is Sanija madam. The training assigned for us is pergola landscaping, rock melon cultivation by fertigation. We arrived at UMK at Kalanthan at 15th of February. Then we celebrated welcome ceremony there with our professors. And we traveled to our respective universities at 15th of February with Pfizer. We are allotted rooms at College Java Canteen and we are introduced to ourselves to our supervisors at 16th of February. They took a brief section about our project and tasks, etc. Then we are 10 members are divided into two groups such as group A and group B. They are allotted works at plot A and plot B with the managers Dr. Arif sir, Dr. Ajiji sir. Then this is the first picture that we had took at plot A. Coming to the location of training set, actually we are taking training at UPSI. There are two campuses, namely Sultan Abdul Jalil Shah campus, Sultan Ajla Shah campus. We are taking training at Sultan Ajla Shah campus, which is at Tanjung Melim, Perak. Then this is the way to field at UPSI. This is plot B where we are done pergola landscaping. This is plot A where we had done rock melon cultivation. Coming to the basic aspects of pergola landscaping, first 10 days we are allotted to plot B for our first project on pergola landscape under the supervision of Miss Anija Madam through Mr. Ajiji sir. Landscaping is for completely aesthetic purpose. It is used for resting place. It is an outdoor garden feature. Then these are the following steps that we have learned in pergola landscaping. First, coming to the selection of site. This is the site where we have selected for pergola construction, that is at near sunflower plot. Then outside, before the construction of pergola, we plan to construct pergola at the measurements of 3 into 4.5 meters. Then we four wooden sticks on four sides in the place of pillars for ideal purpose. Cleaning of the site. We clean the whatever the weeds present under the pergola with the help of the grass remover, and we used leveler brush to remove weeds that are cutted with the grass remover. Insertion of insertion of freestanding pergola. For this, we inserted four pillars at the four sides, that is cement pillars. For this, we digged holes of 1.5 feet. Then we fixed these pillars with the help of the cement. First of all, we mixed cement with sand in well proportion with water. Then with the help of the trowel, we applied this cement at the pillars cleanly. We also used leveler brush for measuring the straightness of the pillars. Leveling under pergola, the next. We leveled the land under pergola using spade. We leveled because but for better fixing of the stepping stones. Okay. Then we also used spirit level here for measuring the levelness of the land. Then we placed the rods. For for this we cutted the rods of required length, that is 60 and 80 inches with the help of the rappel. Wiring on pergola. We arranged softwise on four sides of the pergola. These softwise acts as the roof of the pergola. Placing of stepping stones. Next step. For these different shapes are used for the placing of stepping stones. We use it to place stepping stones with this shape. For this, we mixed cement with the help of the shovel in with the sand and water in well proportions. With the help of the trowel, we applied those cement in these shapes, and on upper layer only cement mixed with water is applied for best leveling. This is the final picture. Then designing of the stepping stones. These are the designs that we have made, yeah, on our stepping stones. Along with pergola landscaping, we have done other works like weeding on the nursery, weeding on the leafy vegetable bed at pergola. This is we removing sticks at sunflower plot. Here we weeding at sunflower plot with the help of the grass cutter. This is fertilizer application for coconut plants. Here we are sowing spinach seeds in the protrace. For this purpose, we soaked those spinach seeds in water for about 30 minutes in warm water only. Here we are digging holes for planting antigonal plants. This is antigonal plants that we are planting there. For this purpose, first we applied rock phosphate and the compost for better growth. This is watering for the antigonal plants. These are final. Then coming to the basic aspects of rock melon cultivation. For the next 10 days, we are allotted to plot A with the help of Mr. Arif sir through supervision of Dr. Shafika madam. Here, for the rock melon cultivation, we selected glamour variety which have duration of 90 days. The seed cost for this is nearly 70 rm for 156 polybags. These are the steps that we have learned in rock melon cultivation. First of all, selection of field site. We, with the help of the Arif sir, we selected greenhouse for rock melon cultivation. Then we prepared the land. Here, for under the preparation of land, we done weeding. Then we fill the grow bags with coco peat. We also done flushing because the salts that are accumulated on the upper layer is not suitable for plant growth. That's why we done flushing. Then we also done piping in greenhouse. For this, micro tubes of 2 mm length is fixed to the laterals by punching. On the other side of micro tubes, we have fixed droppers and kept in the middle of the grow bags. Through this, we have irrigated the plants. We also done fertigation through this. Then sowing of seeds in protrace. For this purpose, the seeds are soaked in water for about 45 minutes. Then we have kept one seed per one hole in protrace that is filled with peat moss. This is kept for 10 days. Here we are done weeding in greenhouse. This is the piping system that we have arranged. This is in the bed, this is in protrace, grow bags. After 10 days, we had transplanted the seedlings in the greenhouse, one per grow bag, one plant per grow bag. The intercultivation practices that we had done in rock melon cultivation is wiring. Here we used drivers because they are thick. These are used for the climbing purpose because the rock melon seedlings are climbers. Then coming to the fertigation system, actually fertigation is supplying of dissolved fertilizer to crops through an irrigation system. Here we done piping system that I discussed before. Mixing of fertilizer. For this purpose, we took two tanks, tank A and tank B. In tank A, we mixed NPK and iron chelates. In tank B, we have mixed micro and macronutrients. These both compositions are mixed in water tank of 800 gallon. For we have mixed these proportions in that water tank up to the EC reached to 1.5 because this is the level that helped for plants for better growth. Each plant can take up to 0.1 liter per minute. This is where we transplanted seedlings. This is the stage of seedlings transplanting. This is we are doing wiring. Here we mixing fertilizers. This is easy meter. Other than rock melon cultivation, we have done other works like weeding in the nursery, sowing of corn seeds after soaking in water for about 45 minutes in protest filled with peat moss. Then fertilizer application to the corn plants that are of 1 month age. Scraping of bedding material of mushroom for proliferation of mushrooms. Here where we applying fertilizer to the corn plants that are of 1 month stage. Here we um, sowing corn seeds in the potters that are filled with peat moss. Here we are doing scraping of mushroom bedding material. This is the conclusion. Coming to the conclusion, first of all, we are so glad to select under this training program because we experienced a lot in this 1 month. Along with the rock melon cultivation and pergola construction, we are aware of many machinery like grass cutter, dust remover, implements like trowel, shovel, spade, spirit level that we had never before, etc. The new works that we are learned in this internship is pergola construction, rock melon plantation, fertigation systems, spirit level, piping, cement mixing, compost filled in bags, mushroom scraping, etc. Uh, Finally, we are so happy to say thank you all. Thank you a lot for giving this opportunity.